Hi, welcome to Radiant Soul Clinic. I am Dr. Sheikh Hasina. After this season of festivals, now this is the beginning of the new season of marriage and ceremonies. So let's get ready for this new season. In this D-Day, every bride and groom, they just wanted to look fabulous and stunning. And this is the time to make the most precious memories of their life in their mind and in their picture albums. So in this field of cosmetology, we usually make you beautiful or handsome. So for to be prepared for your D-Day, what services you can take in a cosmetology clinic? Services can be taken. There are many services, lots of services. You just name it, we have it. Every kind of service is available in Radiant Soul Clinic. So the services depends upon the time you have. If you have large span of time, then we can have many number of services. But if you have less time, then we can plan accordingly your time available. If you have 3 months at least or more than 3 months, then it is better. We can think about your face, your skin, your body, your hair, everything can be think about. So we can start with PRPs of your face, of your hairs. We can start with micro needling. We can think about carbon laser. We can think about hydrofacials. Everything in a mix and match we can do. At least 3 months we need to see difference if you want something for our body. Like body skin tone can be lightened. Full body skin lightening services like glutathione services can be started if you have time for 3 months. Every week you have to take the session for 3 months. So it will give you a light skin tone. And the skin tone will improve drastically. If you have 2 months or 3 to 2 months, then also we can think about few sessions of PRP, few sessions of micro needling. We can think about your full body whitening with glutathiones once in a week for 2 months. And we can think about few carbon laser sessions for your face and body, and we can think about hydrofacials. If you have less time, like only 1 month you have, then we can think about deeper session only once, like PRP or 1 micro needling, and we can combine it with 1 session of carbon laser and 1 session of hydrofacial or we can combine it with a glow peel. So these can be sessions we can think about it. If you want to show some major changes, major differences, you just want to enhance yourself, you can go for fillers, Botox, your face restructuring which is non-surgical. You can go for your nose job which is non-surgical. You can think about your lip fillers, chin augmentation, cheeks augmentation, your total face restructure we can do. We can think about your total face contouring. So these can be also done 1 month prior to your D-Day. One disclaimer, please don't take any service if you don't have time, like within 1 week of your D-Day you want to take any kind of skin services, even if it is a parlor service or if it is a cosmetological service. Please don't go for it, because every service might have some side effects, might no showing any kind of difference. So better for 7 days give rest to your skin and eat healthy and stay healthy. That's all guys for this season of marriages, season of ceremonies, season of enjoyments. For our services, what we offer and what are the services available in Radiant Soul Clinic, you can contact us, you can call us, you can come for a consultation with me. Our clinic is in Gadiyahat Mode. We have our clinic in 167P Rashbihari Avenue, Gadiyahat Mode, and you just watch our videos. And if you have any more comment or queries, you can always give a message, you can always share in a comment, or if you have any more queries, then you can comment in the comment box. I will try to sort your queries all. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.